All right, CJ's not here, so it's perfect time to open a new box I got. It's this Ryobi 18 volt, 4-gallon cordless backpack chemical sprayer. It's super convenient. Right now I have the 1-gallon pump for using to kill weeds and stuff. And I'm gonna open this up, show you what's in it, charge it, and then I'll show you why I got such a robust sprayer, because my little 1-gallon thing is a nightmare. Anyways, let's see, might need both hands. Well, super easy. Set it down here. Here's some instructions, which we know what to do with those, right? Ooh. So right away on that top thing, there's your battery. You don't want to let that baby fall out and splatter on your hard floor. Here's your charger. That's junk. Sorry about that. You pull the rest out. There's your little wand, your backpacky deal. There's a little clip for it. Super, super simple. So really all I gotta do is put the wand in there and find the tip. It's probably inside the tank. Let's see. Open the tank, there's a little filter. Nope, it's not in there. Let's see, I mean, I could read instructions. Maybe it's down here in the battery holder thing. No. Oh, look at there. It's connected right there. All right, hold on. Okay, well that was super embarrassing. So there's the tip of the wand, and here's your little nozzle. Just go ahead and screw that on. Sorry, that's probably making anybody dizzy. It makes me dizzy doing it. So that's on the tip. Now, on this bad boy, shoot, it's kind of hard to show you. Doing everything one-handed. Get my box out of the way. You just set that in, and boom, super easy. So the tip has that angle. With both hands, you can hold the tip where you want it in relation to the squirt gun handle. Probably want it like that. Down with the handle down. Then you hold the wand and tighten that lock. There you have it. All right, we'll charge that battery up and go put this thing to use. There's a little teeny bag in there. So when you open this thing, make sure you catch all the little bags. It's just a different nozzle tip. I'm gonna see what the one on it does. Then if I need, I'll go with this bigger one. But for now, that's it. I got the battery over here charging. Let's see, it looks like it's, once it goes full solid green, it'll be completely charged. I could use one of my drill batteries, but shoot, we'll just wait for that. Be a few minutes. We'll go to 10. I got a little impatient. That one's kind of slow, so I busted out the big 30-minute charger I got. We'll let that keep going and we'll go mix some chemicals. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm not home a ton and I don't hire a gardener, so I'm gonna use that sprayer to kill all these weeds. Once they're dead, hopefully tomorrow or the next day, I'm gonna take the torch and burn everything that's left. Yeah, so I mixed up 3 gallons of this stuff called Ranger from Monsanto. So if you hate them, you probably don't like this video, but it'll kill all that for sure. And then I'll have my rocks back. All right, my battery's charged. I'm gonna set this up where it's easy to see. Hold on. Okay, it's on the tailgate of one of the pickups. Here's your battery door. Just open it, push your battery in. That's the pump priming. Now, I'm gonna spin it around and put on the backpack part. Now this baby is stylish and functional. Well, I can't get a picture of it, but trust me, it's beautiful. Okay, here's the spray. Super simple. You just aim and spray. That is so nice. Wow. I am a fan. So I've got 3 gallons in it of my mixture. The stuff I'm using is called Ranger. It's made by Monsanto. It's super toxic. But honestly, for me, that's the point, is to really get rid of these weeds. I'll see how long it lasts. I'm sure that battery will last well more than the 3 gallons I mixed. Anyways, thanks for watching. Check the links below. I'll get some Amazon stuff in there if you want to order this sprayer off of there. It helps me out a little bit. Doesn't cost you any extra. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's approaching the end. I've sprayed about 7 gallons. There it is. Kind of tilt the body around and get the very last of that pump, that juice out of there. So I sprayed about 7 gallons in the matter of maybe 20 minutes. It took me longer to mix the chemical than it did to spray it. So the pump's still going because there's no fluid in it. Just like with any tool, you want to clean it up. This one especially, because you got all kinds of chemicals in there. To do that, oh, there's the battery. Probably ought to be careful with that. It does have some adjustments. You could adjust it max, min, and off. I could have reached around, I suppose, and turned it off, but I didn't. There's the off. I'm gonna run some water through this just to keep it clean. Battery's back in, switch is off. One thing, this top is not super easy to get on and off. It has a tendency to cross thread already, which is not good. You gotta push down really hard as you're tightening it, because these threads just aren't matching up totally right. But anyways, I'm gonna rinse it out, run a bunch of fresh water. I'll probably run 3 gallons through of fresh water, just go over all the rock again. And then that stuff ought to all be dead tomorrow. I'll burn it out and see how it looks. So the nozzles that came with it, I'm just running water through it now. The one that's on the wand when you start out is a like a spot sprayer. The other one's a wide angle. The spot sprayer works out for me quite well for what I need. If you want more detailed stuff, probably go or less detailed, I guess. Shoot, I don't know, I'm tired, heat stroke or something. But yeah, give it a shot. The tool is awesome. It saved me a ton of time. Instead of mixing a gallon at a time, I could mix 3 or 4, and works out really nice. Got this whole area and other parts of the front yard done. Like I said, about 20 minutes. The tool cleanup time is longer than the spray time, which I'm all right with. Makes them last a long time.